Thank you, sweetheart. Sorry, baby. Sorry. Sorry. I put poo-poo on your hand.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Anak ni Jong Hilario na si Sarina, na-prank ng kanyang nanay na si Maia Azores. Sa latest video na ibinahagi ng mga ito sa social media ay pinahiran ang kamay ni Sarina ng tsokolate, at sinabi sa kanya na ito ay poop ng kanyang nanay. Namangha naman ang mga manunood sa naging reaksyon ng anak ni Jong, dahil kalmado lang ito at mas concern pa ito sa kanyang nanay na tila umiiyak dahil sa kakatawa. Hindi nandiri si Baby Sari o kaya ay umiyak, sa ginawa ng mommy nito sa kanya.
Sari, can I have tissue, please? Here in the bathroom. I'm here. Can you please give mommy the tissue, babe? There. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Sorry, baby. Sorry. I put poo-poo on your hand.
I'm crying.
Yeah. It's so yucky.
Wipe my hand. Wipe my hand.
Sorry, baby. Is it okay?
Yes.
Huh? I'm sorry. Huh?
Wipe my hand.
I'm sorry, baby.
It's okay, Mommy.
Sorry, baby. I put poo-poo on your hand. Huh?
In my dress pa.
Huh?
In my dress pa. You purpose with the shirt.
Huh?
So I need to take a bath.